This is a 2012 Ford Edge 3.5. Customer brought it to me with a P0352 ignition coil B code. They've already replaced all 6 coils. I'm not going to take the intake manifold off to show you the rear ones. Let's go. There's a power balance. Yes. Okay. Solid miss on number 2. You can feel it and hear it out here. I have my scope hooked up. Where is my lead? Okay. So this is coil number 6. And you can see a nice wave pattern. That's me taking it off, pulling away from it. Pick up interference. There we go. Ooh, I'm picking up interference again. Okay. Back on number 6. And then this one is number 2, which is the misfire one. Nothing. It just pulls it down to the ground. See? One hit of ground, that's it. So, let me turn this vehicle off. Okay, so I pinned it here. I could have checked at the coils, but it'd have been tough, you know, working around the intake manifold, trying to get into the wiring for the coils back there. Plus, they've already been replaced, and if it was a power issue to the coils, they share power. It's not individual to each, so it's like this group shares one wire for power. It's tied together, and the rear. So if I had a power problem, I'd probably have 3 coils out on the rear. But anyway, since I went straight to the driver and I'm getting nothing, the computer's bad. When these coils go bad, they can actually just short instead of stop working. When they short, it fries the driver and the computer, and you have to replace or send your computer off to be fixed by one of them, you know, remanufacture companies. Yeah, this came from another shop that just, you know, did the coils, and it's a P0352, but there's P035, I think 1 through 6, and it just applies to which driver isn't doing its job. Just use a single channel scope here. This is not near as nice as like a 5-channel or whatever. That I need to buy one for my scanner, but yeah, that's it. That's the misfire. I'm gonna replace the computer, and that'll get it fixed. This isn't the first time I've seen this. That's it.